Hello everyone! In this video, I'll be showing you how to reinvest your dividends on eToro. While eToro doesn't have an automatic reinvestment feature, you can still do it manually in just a few simple steps. First, go to your portfolio on eToro, click the History button to view your past transactions. Look for the section showing your dividends. Check the amount you receive. This will already be credited to your account balance. Go to the stock, index, or asset from which you receive dividends and manually reinvest the amount you earn. And that's it. That's how you manually reinvest your dividends on eToro. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.